Hello, friends. Today we are going to talk about murals. Come on. Okay, friends. So today we're going to talk about murals. A mural is a large piece of art. So rather than just um, coloring on a small piece of paper, a lot of times um, a mural may take up a whole wall or a very large piece of paper that maybe covers the wall. Here are some examples of some murals. This is a wall somewhere, and then there's this one. It's both gorgeous. And then here's another one. It's an octopus. And then this one on the bottom is like drips of paint. Now, I like the drips of paint because it kind of enforces what I want to discuss, and that is that a mural can be one person's artwork or it can be many people's artwork. And when we are working with young children, we often want to encourage that peer interaction. So I would suggest you do this activity with your child. So you can use a large piece of paper. Sometimes they call it butcher paper. So I don't know if you have access to places where you can buy large rolls of paper. I know some factories sometimes have them for free, and I'm not from around here, so I really don't know. But you can use even just like a 9 by 13, I think, piece of construction paper would work as well for this project. And brainstorm with your child what you would like to draw. For example, we're studying light right now, so maybe you want to draw a mural that has multiple light sources on your mural. And so talk about, how, when you're sharing a mural with your friends, or in your case with your family, that you don't draw on other people's artwork. So, you have this space, this is your little area, and then, talk about planning it. This is going to go here, and this is going to go here, and this is here, and this is here. So talk about the planning process, the collaboration, and all that. That helps that social interaction with your child to develop, and then they can translate that into the classroom as well. So maybe they're drawing a mural in the classroom together, and so now they know that, oh, this is my space and I'm going to draw in this space, and this is little Johnny's space, but I'm not going to draw on his artwork because he worked really super hard on that, and it's part of our mural and it all goes together. So just talk about those things, the etiquette of sharing and having your own space. So this is a great activity to do together as a family as well. Create a mural together, brainstorm ideas, and then get them on the paper. So questions to ask: how did the child work with others? And was the child able to follow classroom expectations, or in the case of at home, your home expectations? So was your child able to follow the rules that you discussed about not drawing on other people's artwork and sharing materials and things like that? I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys try this at home. I would love to see pictures of your murals that you create. You can put them in the comments below. That would be so fantastic to see people's artwork. All right, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.